along and sing with me. J is for juice, J, juice. J is for jam, J, jam. K is for kite, K, kite. K is for kangaroo, K, kangaroo. L is for lion, L, lion. L is for lamp, L, lamp. Let's sing the alphabet A to Z. Come along and sing with me. M is for monkey, M, monkey. M is for moon, M, moon. N is for nest, N, nest. N is for nut, N, nut. O is for octopus, O, octopus. O is for orange, O, orange. Let's sing the alphabet A to Z. Come along and sing with me. P is for pig, P, pig. P is for pen, P, pen. Q is for queen, Q, queen. Q is for quail, Q, quail. R is for rabbit, R, rabbit. R is for rainbow, R, rainbow. Let's sing the alphabet A to Z. Come along and sing with me. S is for sun, S, sun. S is for snake, S, snake. T is for tiger, T, tiger. T is for tree, T, tree. U is for umbrella, U, umbrella. U is for uniform, U, uniform. Let's sing the alphabet A to Z. Come along and sing with me. V is for violin, V, violin. V is for volcano, V, volcano. W is for whale, W, whale. W is for watch, W, watch. X is for xylophone, X, xylophone. X is for Xmas tree, X, mystery. Let's sing the alphabet A to Z. Come along and sing with me. Y is for yak, Y, yak. Y is for yellow, Y, yellow. Z is for zebra, Z, zebra. Z is for zoo, Z, zoo.
टुन टुन टुन
चल पड़ी बस,
झूमती घूमती मस्ती की बस।
हॉक बजाए पो पो पो,
सब बच्चे बोले
चलो दोस्तों चलो।
रास्ता मुड़ा बस भी मुड़ी, हंसते हंसते टोली जुड़ी। पेड़ों की छाया हवा सुहानी, बस में बैठी नन्ही कहानी।
सीट पे कूदी कोई हंसा, किसी ने कहा ये दिन है सजा। खिड़की से बाहर रंग बरसे,
पर गुब्बारे झूले हंसते। धीरे धीरे धक धक करे, बस दिल में खुशी भर दे।
गाओ बजाओ ताली साथ, बच्चों की बस सबसे खास।
चलती जाए धूम मचाए,
झूमती घूमती बस मुस्काए। A for apple, red and sweet. B for boy, standing on his feet. C for cat, so cute and small. D for dog, loves to play with all. E for elephant, big and strong. F for fish, swimming all day long. G for goat, eating grass. H for hen, walking on the grass. I for ice cream, cold and fun. J for jelly, jiggle everyone. K for kite, flying in the sky. L for lion, roaring high. M for monkey, jumping around. N for nest, where birds are found. O for orange, juicy and bright. P for parrot, green and light. Q for queen, wearing her crown. R for rabbit, jumping up and down. S for sun, shining